Hey, what's up? How you doing? Thank you so much for coming to my channel again. Today, man, my name is Artiz Strouds. I'm the life coach and entrepreneur. Today, we're going to get into digital courses and specifically what platforms to do digital courses on. Okay, and so I'm going to cover like two today, and there may be a bonus in it, so you'll want to watch this to the end. This will be short, quick, and simple, and then I'll also talk about some more stuff towards the end. So hey man, just like I talked about, digital products may be something that you want to put in your lineup. Like Robert Kiyosaki said, when you create a course online and invest in it, that can be something that's like just like real estate, a piece of real estate that you can have, okay? Because with real estate, as you invest in it, you get people in there, you know what I'm saying, and they pay you rent, and that could be going over, the expenses that you have, that you're paying for that mortgage. You see what I'm saying? So same thing with creating a digital course. It's very important. It's an asset that you would build up, a class that you would do on whatever skill or topic that you want to talk about. One of the skill or topics that I'm thinking about doing is on target audience, how to go after your target audience, giving examples and, because that's very key in any business. You know what I'm saying? Everybody has a target audience, but that would be, let's say, a course that I would do. I would set up an outline for it, and then I would see, hey, and after I got the outline for it, what videos I'm going to shoot, in what order, what quizzes I'm going to do, what projects that I'm going to put together and all that good stuff. But then after I got all that outline done, then what I would do is go to one of these platforms and set that up. And so I'm going to go ahead and share two of them that I've researched this a lot, like I said, on YouTube and all that good stuff. So I'm sharing my knowledge, what I learned with you guys, my expertise. So with that said, where I would go is there's a place called Teachable. Okay. So Teachable, you can look that up online. I found this one and online, and what I like about it, like the basic plan, like it says here, is $29. As you can see, you can have in the basic plan unlimited students, 5% transaction fees. You guys can read all this stuff here. Course creation training, custom domain support, drip course content. Man, that's powerful. Drip course is like, if somebody tries to come in and they do a course with you, and let's say the first one, chapter 1, they got to do this. Basically, you can set it up to where they can't skip past the first one and go to the next one. Like next week, it could drop, chapter number 2 for them to be able to get into. So that'll give them time. That'll force them. It should force them to be able to do the project or do the work, because that's the problem with, with all of us. We got shiny object shiny object syndrome. Shiny object syndrome. We just, hey, I see this object, I like this, I'm saying, I'm going to buy into it. And even in Christendom, as a Christian, I see that same thing, is that we need to not only learn but do it, apply the lessons that we're learning, and then teach it to others. You see what I'm saying? And it just naturally flows like that, and that should be something that we should do. So I really like this one, the drip content. With this one, it does have, like it says, integrated email marketing. Teachable, it doesn't come with a ready-made marketing group. You know what I'm saying? You have to go out there and market, whether it be on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or whatever platform that you're, big on in regards to social media. You have to gather your followers, and they have that in this course creation training. They have it to where they teach you from start to finish, creating your course, then also launching your course, and going along that path. And they have that all in here. But the beautiful thing about this with Teachable, you get a chance to keep 100% all of your contacts, their emails and their names you're building with your customers, and that's very cute and huge. This is a nugget for you guys. People don't really understand this. Online, it's all about attention. And when you have emails, man, that is an asset, because you have people's attention. You know what I'm saying? So for example, we had I live here in Denton, Texas. There's a person that moved in and had a shop locally, and they reached out to us, and because we had been in business for 4 years, and we got like 800 emails, you know what I'm saying? And they specifically interacted with us because we had those emails. They were new to town, and we had 800 emails, like I said, of customers that we had built up with. And they was like, hey, you guys can have a cinnamon rolls, sweet roll day. Come here, set up shop, and do from whatever, invite your people, because they understood one thing, that no longer broadcasting on radio or advertising through flyers were going to be good. No, you got to advertise through people who have contacts, because like email contacts, or who already have a ready-made audience. You see what I'm saying? And so when we did that, that was awesome, that we were able to reach out to our audience and say, hey, we're having this, pop-up shop of selling cinnamon rolls, you know what I'm saying, at this location. They're having their grand opening, blah, 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 you know what I'm saying? So you can bring people in. And so that, and even if people didn't come in, now that they know that the shop is in place. And so that's my story on that one. So it's very, very key that you understand that the asset is attention, emails. If you got people's emails, they trust you, they follow you and all that good stuff. So that's what I'll say there. So you get a chance to have that in regards to this. Another beautiful thing that is good with this, let me see if they have it, is, no, they don't have it on here. Oh, but man, remember I told you the number one business that I highly recommend is affiliate marketing. If you go to the bottom of any business and look, and it says become an affiliate. I'm not going to click on it, but affiliate marketing is something that is huge and that you could get paid for, starting today. You know what I'm saying? So we'll talk more about that towards the end. So anyway, that is this one, Teachable. That is a place that I will go to in order to create a digital course. The next place, and you see how much it costs a month. The next one is going to be this one right here, which is Udemy. Up here to the top left, you'll see Udemy. This one, this is another one that I like too as well, because Udemy is a platform where you can envision your course, plan your course, record it, and build your community. But with Udemy, it's a free. You get a chance to set up your platform free. Okay. And that's huge. You set it up free, and with that, because they already have bunches of people that are already on their platform, so you don't necessarily have to market too much. They already have a built-in, membership of people who just follow Udemy, period, because there's so many different categories, so many different lessons, and all that stuff. And so if you're going to start digital marketing and you're just starting out, you don't have any money, this is the place that I would actually recommend, is Udemy. Set up, not only become an instructor, set up your course and all that stuff, and go through here. This would be a great testing site if you have a course that you're wanting to run and you don't know if it's going to be successful and all that good stuff. This would be a great place to actually go to. Okay, Udemy is where I would highly recommend that you start if you don't have any money and you're just starting out. But the only con to this with Udemy is that you don't get the people who sign up for your courses. There's actually two people who sign up for your courses. One, you don't get their contact information. You don't get their email. You possibly get their name, but you won't get their email. Secondly, you also through your link, you can get paid a certain amount. Don't quote me on the numbers. I don't know that. But what I mean by that, if let's say Udemy markets you and they go through their link, you get a lesser commission on your course. You know what I'm saying? Let's say you charge $25 through your link, but if Udemy comes in and they have your link and promote you and send people to you, and they say no, only through their link, they get 5%, you get 5%, then that's how much you would get of the course. This will make sense to you I'm going to put another video down below that'll be beneficial and helpful to you to check out on YouTube that really helped me along this line to understand this all together. Okay. So that would be it there. And the last one that I want to share with you is SkillShare. Probably can't see this over. SkillShare. You can set up a class on SkillShare. This one I would just go on Google and look up SkillShare for teachers. Okay. And this one's I'm just giving you one out there. I would do more research on this one because it doesn't really name if you're actually going to be charged something in order to create this class and actually go through it. But this is one that I constantly hear. SkillShare is another one. So that's a bonus one for you. But lastly, if you're interested in creating a course on these and you need some assistance, man, check out the link in my bio, the very first link, the #1 way to make money online. There's an educational platform that you can actually, tap into, and it's only $7 less than a cup of coffee to do a 15-day online business challenge. You know what I'm saying? And so I would say go ahead and connect onto that and just go forward in there. And if you're interested again in doing digital courses for $7 less than, or $7 a cup of coffee, click on the link below, the first one, and it'll lead you to do a 15-day business builder challenge. You know what I'm saying? It'll be well worth $7. And hey, if you don't like it, hey, within 30 days you can get your money back. 30-day guarantee money back for you. Okay. And that is it. So that's all I got for you guys today. Let me kind of share a little bit about my story, and then I'll let you guys dip out from there. But basically, for me, I'm a Christian entrepreneur, life coach, and back in 2017, I saw the possibility of going online. I had some, 6-figure mentors that was mentoring me and my wife when we were selling cinnamon rolls, and we connected with them because they lived between Frisco, Texas, and New York. New York. So they live between there. So we met them through Zoom, and they coached us. They coached us for a 6-month program for like $600 a month, and they covered things from marketing to messaging to and you name it, they covered it. You know what I'm saying? Every week. And so we had classes that we did with other couples around the world, in around the United States, and then we also had weekly coaching sessions, me and my wife as a married couple with them, aside from the group class. And I thought that was very awesome. But I was like, man, I want to do this. And then the Lord had called me to create, a content online, to be a shepherd effect, equipping followers to reflect the good shepherd, to be a priest, protector, provider, and prophets over their homes. So online content, YouTube creation on social media, and creating courses. And so that's how I, came to know this journey online, and I'm a life coach. And so that's kind of like discipleship. But with that said, man, that is it. So I was, kind of all over the place, spending thousands of hours on YouTube. But then I found this online marketing education platform that kind of helped and provides step-by-step guidance as well as coaches to help you along your way and what you're trying to do and setting stuff up online. And so that's where I'm at now. And I'm just sharing that with you guys, sharing that with other people. So that's my story, man. I'm trying to get people in because this is, as you see, this is the way the world is trending. So again, if you're interested in that, please click the first link below, and that'll connect you forward. And it's not a get rich quick scheme, because I believe in hard work, integrity. Most people who connect to that, and it's just education that'll help you on your way. When you're learning something new, you got to get the education. You can be a beginner and go from there. So all right, man, this is Artiz Strouds. I'm the life coach and entrepreneur. I'll be signing out today, man. If you guys have any questions, any comments, let me know. I'm a very approachable person and look forward to speaking with you. Take care. Peace.